Talk.
Hello everyone, this is 3-Hour News Show on See Today with me, Hans Lango. And over the past several years, more companies achieved a unicorn startup status in Indonesia. Another Indonesian startup that has reached this status is Xendit. The company has been valued at over $1 billion. To talk more on the recent valuation, we are joined by the CEO himself of Xendit. This is Moses Low. Hello, Moses.
Hi, thanks so much for having me.
And also, thanks for your time. Moses, the thing is, Indonesia is familiar with e-wallet services such as the existing GoPay, OVO, Shopee Pay, and Dana. Can you explain the concept of Xendit itself, and how is it different compared to the other e-wallets?
Great question. We're a payment gateway, so we help merchants accept payments from wherever they want to get paid. So we can help a merchant do one integration and get access to e-wallets, bank transfers, cash, credit cards, any way that an end user may want to pay. So the names that you mentioned are really good at helping a consumer with their own wallet systems or to pay Pulsar or certain use cases. What we do is we help merchants accept payments from wherever they want to accept payments.
I see. So this is actually more than just an e-wallet. So is there another company that provides similar services like Xendit in Indonesia? And how are you different from your competitor?
We have other competitors in the country, folks like Doku and Mitrans. I won't speak about each one specifically, but I think what we try to do is we try to make sure that we're producing products that are new for Indonesia, that Indonesia has never seen before. For example, we were the first to produce APIs for dispersing money anytime, 24/7. Another example is we are one of the first to have dynamic 3DS on credit cards, and there's a whole bunch of payments methods, things I can speak about, but we really try to build products that no one else has.
Right.
The second thing I think...
Yeah. Keep going.
The second thing I think we stand out on is on service, where I think our customers tell us all the time we have some of the best service in the country. So if you actually try to contact our customer support, we've been told that our customer support is more technical than some of our competitors. The third part is speed. We are often known for replying faster, resolving questions faster, resolving issues, onboarding you faster than some of our competitors. So those three things stand out.
All right, so probably the next question, quite not related to our current condition. Probably before the pandemic, my problem seems to be like all the things that I use here in Indonesia cannot be used outside of the country. But is Xendit available outside of Indonesia?
Yes, we're also available in the Philippines right now, and we're slowly bringing on other countries in Southeast Asia.
But who are your clients?
Yeah, we serve clients from all kinds of industries. We serve some of the biggest travel companies in Indonesia. We serve Bali. We serve e-commerce businesses. We serve startups, and we serve big companies. So names like Samsung, Traveloka, UNICEF, all the way to Instagram merchants, people who are just starting out their entrepreneurial journey.
That sounds so great for me, who is a social media addict. Now that you mentioned Instagram. But also one of the concerns of the people using this kind of services is how fast it can secure a payment and how to ensure the transaction is safe.
Yeah, great question. And that's particularly something that's a concern to us, and making sure that we can provide secure payments for all our customers. So there's a few things that we do. We match a whole bunch of international standards, things like PCI DSS or ISO standards we are able to match and surpass. Then also in terms of how we build our systems, there's different ways that we secure. So we always make sure that data is encrypted in transit. We always make sure that we have pen testers always testing our systems. We have white hackers looking to hack our systems all the time. We have then once a transaction is flowing, we have fraud prevention tools and fraud detection tools that are always monitoring and in place. So we detect fraud every single day, and then we'll work with our merchants, the banks, the regulators, and end users to resolve those situations.
Well, that sounds like a good guarantee for us as customers. But nowadays, even the government is launching like lots of services, supporting the entrepreneurs in Indonesia, because we're actually behind our neighboring countries like even Vietnam, even Singapore. But nowadays, people are going towards the micro, small, and medium enterprises. Do you have any solutions for these people from MSMEs in Indonesia?
Yeah, we're really proud to be building tools to help any kind of entrepreneur start their business and without any code be able to build the company that they want. We serve in two ways. One is we are the infrastructure for a lot of MSME enabler platforms. We're proud to call them customers and glad we're able to support their growth. And then for other kinds of MSMEs, we're also a really great tool to onboard. Let's say you're already using Shopify or WooCommerce. We already have these integrations. So it's one button and you can access all the infrastructure that we have.
Nice. It sounds so promising. But since you were mentioning this is actually not an e-wallet, this is a payment getaway, but people nowadays are really being privileged to have the e-wallet in the palm of their hands. But is Xendit aiming to provide an e-wallet service maybe? Or maybe some cryptocurrency exchange?
We won't be aiming to launch many things consumer facing. E-wallets are already well established, and there's other crypto exchanges. We're actually proud that some of the e-wallets are our customers and our payment methods. And then on the crypto side, we're also supporting the legal crypto that we can with their payments. So we won't be launching them ourselves, but we really enjoy being the infrastructure player that other startups can use and other fast-growing companies can use to launch their businesses.
All right. So another info that I've received, that you have received a fresh fund of $150 million, which makes Xendit another unicorn. What is the future for Xendit? Because from one release, this is also, correct me if I'm wrong, that your payment volume is gaining 200% every year. Do you have any info for the future of Xendit? IPO maybe?
We're really focused, where we spend the money, to answer that question, we're really focused on executing. So I think there's a few things that stand out for us. One, we want to be a regional business. We've launched in the Philippines in Q3, Q4 last year, and that's been growing really well. And so a lot of the funds will be used to make sure we can double down in Indonesia and the Philippines and make sure we're growing strong in both countries. The second thing that we'll do with the funds is build what we call value-added services, other products and businesses that our customers are asking us to build. Things like exposing our fraud detection so that other people can use it outside. Data products to help protect against chargebacks, as examples. The third thing we want to do is we want to keep building tools for SMEs so that they can launch their businesses. So those are the three things that we'll use the funds for.
All right. So Moses, I hope we continue to hear more good news from Xendit in Indonesia. And also thank you for being on the show. I'll see you on the top.
Thank you so much.
CEO Talk.